Students, myself Shamin Kazi from Genius International School.
How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of God. Today I am here with a video of our English subject lesson number 4, the skylark. The skylark is the name of a bird. Okay, so which is brown in color and it has a very sweet voice. It flies high up in the sky. It likes to fly high up in the sky. So this is the name of a bird, skylark, which sings very sweetly. Now let us see the poem of what it tells us. Everyone enjoys music and many like to sing. What kind of songs do you like, students? Take turns to sing a few lines to your favorite song. Okay. Now this is a poem of which can we do in our class. So let it be. We will go forward. So what it is there? Some birds too love to sing. These birds are known for their sweet songs. Okay. So here we have some birds which name is nightingale, cuckoo, and this is a skylark. So students, this is the bird whose name is skylark. Okay, it is which color? It's like a sparrow. Yes, you can see now it is looking like an sparrow, but it has a very sweet voice and it loves to sing. Okay, so let us see the lesson of a king. His name is King Lachi. This is the king. Okay, so let us see what the lesson tells us about it. King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. He had marvelous jewels, vessels, paintings and carpets. When he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. Students, you all know that king has a very big and beautiful palace with a large number of beautiful things. Marvelous here means very beautiful and wonderful. Okay, so jewelries, diamonds, gold, everything they are having. They are having antique vases and all in his palace, and paintings and carpet. They are very fond of. So this King Lachi, he is very fond of these antique things. Whenever he goes somewhere, when he spotted something, spotted means happen to see, to notice. Okay, when he noticed or he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. So what is the hobby of this King Lalchi? His hobby was to collect the antique things, that is vases, painting, carpet, jewelries and many things, whichever he likes the most. So whenever he go out from his palace, he finds some new things, he bring it to his palace. It will make me happy, he said. What does he say? It will make me happy. So his hobby was that when he collects some new things, he feels very happy. But King Lalchi was not happy. He felt old and tired and sad. But after some time, the King Lalchi, he was not happy. He felt something like that, bored and tired and sad. One day the king heard a beautiful song. He closed his eyes and listened. It was a song about sunshine, a flowing river, a gentle breeze. It was a song about joy. Okay, so after some time he felt very tired, bored and sad and not happy. Unhappy he was feeling. So one day, was just sitting like that, he heard some beautiful song. So he closed his eyes and paid attention to the song, what he was hearing. He listened it carefully. It was a song about sunshine. It was a song about what he was saying. It was a song about sunshine and the voice of a flowing river and gentle breeze. Sometimes if we hear carefully. So the King Lalchi heard a song which was about the joy, okay, happiness. For the first time in his life, the king felt happy. Who is singing that song? The king asked his helpers. So for the first time he was very happy after so long time. So he asked his helper. Helpers means servant or soldiers in his palace, that who is singing that song? Bring him to me. I want him to stay in my palace. I want him to sing every day. But the king said to his servant or helpers that bring that those who are singing that song, just go search and bring him to me. I will make him stay in my palace. I will keep him in my palace. So I want him to sing every day for me because I loved their song very much. The king's helpers searched everywhere. They could not find the singer. The searched means to look carefully here and there. Okay, so the king helpers, the servant of the soldiers of the king, they searched here and there everywhere, but they could not find who was singing that beautiful song. At last they asked a young girl, who is singing that song? So see here, you can see in the picture the soldiers were standing with a small girl. So they were asking, the one girl was walking from there. They stopped that girl. They asked her, who is singing that song? Or do you know that? So it's a skylark. The girl replied, look up. There he is. He is high in the sky. See, you can see here in the picture, they were asking the girl who is singing the song. The girl showed them. You can see up high in the sky, it is a sky-like bird who is singing that song. The helpers looked up. Catch him, they shouted. Take him to the king. So when they looked up, they saw the bird flying up high in the sky. They shouted loudly, catch him fast. We will take him to the king. No, no, the girl cried. Please don't take him. Let him fly in the sky. So when she heard that the soldiers were, the helpers were catching the skylark, she shouted. She cried loudly, no, no, please don't take him. Let him fly in the sky. Because the skylark likes to fly up high in the sky and sing. But the king's helper did not listen to the girl. They watched and they waited. Soon the skylark flew down. He was now sitting on the low branch of the tree. The helpers caught the bird and took him to the palace. But the king helpers and the soldier, they did not listen to the girl. They waited there. They were watching the bird carefully. And after some time, the bird, after flying up high in the sky, it came down. He was now sitting on the low branch of a tree. Now he came and sat on the low branch of a tree. The helpers caught the bird from the tree and they took him to the palace. You can see here, students, the soldiers, they caught the bird here and they brought the bird in the palace to the king. Here is the singer, they said. What? The king cried. This is just a small brown bird. He cannot sing such a beautiful song. So when these soldiers brought the bird to the king, they said, Sir, king, this is the bird who is singing the beautiful song. The king was astonished. He was surprised. He said, what? This small bird can sing? It is not possible. Put him into the golden bird cage, he said. We will listen to him. What the king ordered, he said, okay, go and keep that bird in the golden cage and bring it here to me. We will listen the song. The skylark felt miserable. He did not want to sing in a cage. The king waited and waited, but the skylark did not sing. The skylark felt miserable. Miserable means, students, very unhappy, not happy. Okay, because he was caught by the soldiers and brought it into the cage. So he did not want to sing. He was just sitting in the cage. The king waited and waited for a long time, but skylark did not sing the song. You fools, the king shouted at his helpers. This isn't the singer. Put this bird outside. So after waiting for a long time, the king was angry. He said, you fools, this is not the singer which I heard. Put the bird outside the cage. The skylark flew away and started to sing again. The young girl looked up and smiled. As soon as the soldiers freed the bird from the cage, he was very happy and he started singing again. And the girl, when she looked up in the sky, she smiled. I am the fool, the king thought. He closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. So afterwards, what the king thought? I am the fool. I was the fool to make the bird bring him in the cage. So he closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. Okay. So students, did you understand this story? It is a very interesting and very good story. It means you should not cage any animal or bird, because animal, those are flying free or living free, are happy and they can live their life. Okay, if you caught them, if you put them in a cage, so they are not unhappy, they are very miserable. Okay students.